What's up, Rag Squad? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been like a week or two, but I just been really busy, so I didn't really have the time to make another video. But anyways, we're back today, and this is like a quick video. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to update the My BMW app and how to fix the issue where your app doesn't automatically update itself. For example, the vehicle's location, your fuel level, and the vehicle status. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick tip as how to fix this issue. I'm aware that it's been a constant issue on pretty much every BMW that utilizes the My BMW app and the connected drive features. So this tip that I'm going to show you, there are two ways that we could do it. I'm going to show you both of them right now. All right, so the first tip and method that you can use to update your My BMW app is, first off, you're going to press this button right here, this little web browser or like globe icon. Press it, and they will bring up all your BMW installed apps. Highlight the My BMW app, and then you're gonna press the iDrive controller right here. You're gonna press and hold down on it. So like press and hold, and then it will bring up this menu. Then you could click on update apps and services. It takes a few seconds, and then it will update. It will pretty much update the app. This doesn't always work, or it doesn't always take one try. So let's try it again. Click on it again. Close it. Click on it again. And then we're going to update it. All right. So like I said, this doesn't always work. So if this doesn't work, you could go ahead and check your My BMW app, which I'm not sure if you can see mine on the screen, but go ahead and check your My BMW app now to see if their app has been updated to show your current like fuel mileage and stuff like fuel. Sorry, the camera's not focusing, but yeah, check to see if it has your updated fuel and other the car's analytics and stuff. If that doesn't work, then you could try the second method. The second method is actually press home. That way it brings the iDrive screen to the home setting. And then you're going to press and hold your volume button for about, I think it's about 20 seconds. This will reset your iDrive completely and pretty much update everything in the car once it restarts. Mind you, this is not a software update, and this is not like any online thing updating. It's just a hard reset of the iDrive itself. So you just press and hold it for about 20 seconds. Could be less, could be more, but it should be about 20 seconds. There we go. So the screen turns black, and then you're gonna let the button go, and then the iDrive will reboot itself, and then it will come back on. When it comes back on, it will prompt you to this screen that comes up when you first enter the car, or when you first pick up your car and you're gonna set up your BMW connected drive stuff. There you have it. It automatically updates itself, and it will be a little bit finicky at first. Like everything will be a little bit sketchy. Your phone's gonna have to reconnect to it and everything, but just go ahead and go back to the icon right here. Go ahead and check your BMW app again. Click on it at first just to make sure it's loading, and you will see this pop up because the car has just reset itself. So it will take a while for the internet and all the connectivity to regain access. Go ahead and do the same thing again. Yeah, that was a little bit finicky. Like I say, it's trying to get itself back together. But go ahead and just click on it again. Update apps and services. And then close out of it. And now go back and check your My BMW app, and your app should update. Like you should have your updated location, your updated fuel, and the vehicle's analytics are all updated once you try this. Like I said, these are the two methods that I've been using, and they have worked. I've found the car not updating itself several times. Like I'm home and I may be upstairs or something, and I just want to check to make sure that the car is like locked, or some mornings I want to remote start the car from my phone and it refuses to work because the car doesn't have like an up-to-date location, or something is just throwing an error. So you could try these two options and see if they work. If they don't, then your system is likely like it has a hardware software issue greater than what you could fix at home. So maybe you could contact your dealer to have them hard reset it, or just go into a BMW dealer and, you know, have them physically do it. But in theory, these two should work. And if this works for you, just comment below, let me know if it works. If you've been having this issue, let me know. And any other issue that you're having with your BMW, just let me know and I'll try to shoot a video on it. I'll just play around with all this and I'll see if I could come up with a solution. You know, I'll usually just sit here and just play around with stuff in the car, play around with features, test stuff out. And this is the goal of the channel. You know, this is the goal of everything that I do BMW wise. So like I said, if you have an issue, just comment it below and let me know, and I'll try to come up with a solution, or I'll check the BMW blogs, the forums, and, you know, whatever solution is there, I'll obviously get back to you on that. All right, guys. So that was just a quick little tutorial video as to how to update your My BMW app. Like I said, any problems you have with your BMW, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll read it, I'll reply to it, and I'll try to come up with a solution. If I can't find a solution, then I'll reach out to someone that probably is having a similar issue and see if anyone has a solution to it. Again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We've reached a good 730 subscribers on the channel so far, so we're progressing. And like I said, I really appreciate the support. Thank you guys for watching again, and peace. See you guys in the next one.